When generating an Esri map in App Studio, you have a choice of base maps, which are background map images. The map data is superimposed on this image. Base maps that are not vector maps are pre-rendered image tiles. Vector base maps are delivered from ArcGIS Online as vector tiles that are rendered on the client based on a style file that is delivered with the vector tiles. This provides customization options not available with pre-rendered image tiles. When you add an Esri map component to an HTML page, by default the light gray canvas map is selected. To change this selection, open the Properties panel and select the list of base maps in the Map Base Map field. By default, 7 vector base maps are included on the list: Dark Gray Vector, Streets Navigation Vector, Streets Night Vector, Streets Relief Vector, Streets Vector, and Topographic Vector. The vector base maps are also available in the Change Base Map widget at runtime. You can add custom vector base maps using the Server Geo Configuration Editor. We will add the Nova base map to the configuration. Enter a name and title for the base map. Select Vector from the Type drop-down list. In the Icon field, enter the URL to the thumbnail for the base map. You can right-click the thumbnail image on the Nova page and click Copy Image Location, then paste it into the Icon field. Add the URL for the Esri Vector Map service in the URL field. You can copy this location from the URL field on the lower right of the Nova base map page. Vector base maps have map service URLs and style URLs. There may be multiple layers with multiple map service and style URLs. This information must be added as array elements with a basemap layers JSON object. The Nova basemap is a single layer. The map service URL is the same URL entered in the URL field. To see the appropriate style URL, click the View Style button at the right of the Nova basemap page. Copy the URL up to but not including the question mark. Click OK to return to the Geo Configuration Editor. Then click Save. Now when you add an Esri component to an HTML page, the Nova base map will be available for selection. It will also be available on the Change Base Map widget at runtime. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.